PANDU is back in action and exactly what we predicted just happened. I told you in my first video about PANDU, hey guys, I am buying at $4 million market cap. After that, we saw an insane run to 28 million. After that, we saw a pullback. I made a second video. I said that, hey guys, if you're not into the PANDU project yet, it can be smart to buy a small amount here and wait what happens after, because it's way better to dollar cost average compared to aping in your full amount. So after that, we draw some lines in my previous video like, hey, if you buy here $500 and you do another $500 at this area, it is way better to get an average price here. And now you are all in profit for the second time. So congratulations for everybody who followed the calls on PANDU. But I'm not talking about the PANDU price right now. I want to talk about the latest updates about the PANDU project because, of course, PANDU has a huge community. So currently $13.8 million market cap, and it looks super strong in my eyes. Of course, the whole crypto market was 2 days ago in complete panic. We saw what happened, right? It was an insane fast crash to 162 billion for the altcoin market. It were the lows of August 2024 and also April. But in matters of like minutes, it was back to the current level. So if you survived, I hope you are all good, guys, because some people I know lost thousands of dollars during this flash crash while leverage trading or something else. They sold in panic and stuff like that. So be safe during these events. This can be a huge opportunity for yourself to shop more altcoins because so many people are in panic during those moments. So also PANDU was crashing to 9 million, but quite strong in my eyes. So what do I expect right now from PANDU? Of course, we saw 3 pumps. Then this one is a little bit lower, exactly to the previous high here. But I think most people who are short-minded, who bought here, who sold in this panic here, are out. So I expect some moves from PANDU. Let me a little bit remove this of the stuff, because what I think what will happen right now with PANDU is, if of course the market keeps doing what it's doing, we saw a retest of the previous high here. Now we are making a new move to the upside. We see some small corrections from 70 million back to 13, 12 maybe. Then I think, to be honest, I'll be brushing the previous high here, and then we can get back to our all-time high area. Still, if you're watching this video, you're not into the PANDU project yet, I still think, if I was you, of course, do always your own research, but it can be still a nice amount to buy. But same as previous video, don't buy all your money at once, because we cannot predict the market. We can only play smart. And what I want to do is I want to ape into corrections. So right now we see a small correction, ape in a small amount, then when it pumps, you're happy. When it, of course, have another correction, we can lower our entry price. So what is going on the Twitter of PANDU? We saw some tweets about the whole character, the vibe, good morning PANDUs. Still like a lot of activity on the Twitter, so that is nice. Also, the engagement on the PANDU project is insane, like 200 likes, a lot of retweets. They have a very strong community. Also, when we check out the comments, we see a lot of PANDU guys with the profile picture, so that makes me even more bullish. Like, there's a real solid community behind the PANDU project. Also on the website, we can see it is the first AI friend on the blockchain. So it is not just a meme coin, it is like way more than that. So if you're still watching right now this video and you think like, hey, I want to follow your calls because we made some good calls on PANDU at 4 million and also during this correction, I have a Discord server and I will open this server from Wednesday onwards. So if you want to join the Crypto June family and stay up to date about calls where I'm buying myself, market updates in general, you can join the Discord for free. First 50 people can join us for free. Link is inside the description. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.